Hey Wales, good morning. Happy Friday. Let's break down Nvidia today. I get daily questions about Nvidia, right? People are holding since 130, 120, right? So, people ask me every day, should I sell? Should I get in at a lower price? What should I do? Should I hold? Yeah, let's really dive in and break it down for you. Let's break down Nvidia. So you guys know sort of my sentiment from my previous videos, guys, right? I have all of this as a wave one potentially, right? And we're still working on a correction where we're getting a W, X signifying a failed impulsive wave, coming down for a Y wave here to finish off all of a black 2 before we start this new uptrend again. Okay, so just a disclaimer, right? If you're a long-term investor in Nvidia, in my opinion, anything under $100 per share is definitely a time to accumulate, right? That's an amazing buy opportunity for such an amazing company. Okay, so just wanted to hold it out there. If you're already in Nvidia, hold, guys. Just hold, right? Markets are designed to go up, right? You're going to be kicking yourself in the future if you sold right now, right? If you sold right now, you're going to kick yourself in the future and you're going to be like, oh man, I should have held that when Nvidia, in the future is going to be $400 per share, right? In the near term. So just hold, guys. Just hold and accumulate. So now in terms of a trader's mindset, what I'm looking at, guys, right? If we'd have a WXY correction coming down, corrections like to typically end at primary wave 4 cycles from the past, right? So you can take a look. You have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 in red, as well as a 3, 4 in blue. So in my opinion, these levels around like 91 to 76, this is a beautiful, first entry for, someone like me. If I want to become a long-term investor in Nvidia, if I haven't gotten in yet, that's a great level that I would love to accumulate at. Okay. Now, from a trader's mindset though, right? I'm not going to try to catch a falling knife here. Okay. So I'm not going to try to see, and buy here because ultimately it could put in a triple correction and keep going down like this and go to $46 per share. Right. And you see that happen, guys, a lot. Like in terms of companies like AMD, Tesla, Nike, Pepsi, UPS, just in the last year, right? These companies are doing triple corrections where instead of this just being a WXY correction, right, we have a WX, Y, X failed impulse again coming down for a Z wave. This can happen, guys, a triple correction. All right, so that's why I don't like catching falling knives. I don't like trying to time a bottom. What I want to see from Nvidia, right, let's say this is the low, is that if it comes down here and if it bounces, right, I want to see some strength on that bounce. I want to see hold it higher low like this. And now we're breaking through, consolidating again here with higher lows and then pushing up. Okay, this is what I want to see. And for me, instead of catching the bottom, right, I'm going to be catching the dip instead. This is much safer, in my opinion, rather than trying to time a bottom where anything can happen and price can just keep going low. We don't know if this is the low. We don't know if this is, who knows, guys? No one knows. All right. I can't predict what's going to happen. All I can do is wait for uptrends, buy the dips on uptrends. All right. So for instance, right, when you're buying an uptrend like this, okay, you buy the dips on the uptrends, right? It's easy money. Okay. Instead of downtrends like this, right? If you buy, it keeps going down. Same thing with AMD, same thing with Tesla, right? This can happen, right? And especially right now with Nvidia, where we're making sort of like this very sideways action, choppiness. It's extremely hard for even seasoned traders to make money on chop like this, right? So for me, I'm not that, I'm not a good trader like that, guys, right? Some of you guys are much better at day trading, at trading like that. For me, I can't do it, right? So I wait patiently, right? And I just stick to my system. So my system is I wait for higher highs, higher lows, and get in on dips on the dips of an uptrend, right? That's all I do. So yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Keep you guys updated if anything changes, right? Because of course, Nvidia can surprise everyone and just shoot up to the moon. Who knows, right? But until then, guys, waiting patiently. I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.